Hello guys, so myself Shashank and we have our group mates Dhriti and Nilambika. So we'll be presenting about the evolution and future of e-commerce. So what really is e-commerce? We have to question that first. To answer that question first. So e-commerce or electronic commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet. So you might be familiar with Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra as they're all like digital services which sell products online, and you might have seen streaming subscriptions and even social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook have e-commerce hubs where businesses sell directly to consumers. So you might have seen ads scrolling through the Insta and Facebook pages. So wherein the consumers like the products is being sold directly to consumers. So the evolution of e-commerce. So e-commerce has come a long way since its inception. Let's take a quick journey through its evolution. Early days, like around in 1990s and 2000s, the first online transaction was recorded in 1994 when a CD was sold online. So Amazon and eBay was launched in the mid 90s, changing how people shop. So by the 2000s, online payment methods like PayPal made transactions more convenient. So this took a rise of marketplaces around in 2010s. So platforms like Alibaba, Flipkart, and Shopify expanded the e-commerce ecosystem. Mobile apps and digital wallets like Google Pay and Apple Pay.
This meeting is being recorded.
So hello all, myself Shashank, and we have our group mates Dhriti and Neelamika. So we'll be speaking about the topic, the evolution and future of e-commerce. So what really is e-commerce? So e-commerce or electronic commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet. So you might have been familiar with Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra as well. So you might have like buy clothes or products from Flipkart and Amazon. So these are like online banking and streaming subscriptions. So even social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook have become e-commerce hubs where businesses sell directly to consumers. So while scrolling in through Insta and Facebook, you might have seen ads coming over. So wherein the products are being sold directly to consumers. These are all examples of e-commerce and what e-commerce explains about. So next, evolution of e-commerce. So e-commerce has come a long way since its inception. Let's take a quick journey through its evolution. So early during 1990s and 2000s, the first online transaction was recorded in 1994 when a CD was sold online. And then Amazon and eBay was launched in the mid 90s and changing how people shop. So by 2000s, online payments like PayPal made transactions more convenient, which led to a rise of marketplaces around like 2010s. And platforms like Alibaba, Flipkart, and Shopify expanded the e-commerce system. And mobile apps and digital wallets like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Phone Pay also improved the shopping experiences. So AI and machine learning now provide personalized recommendation to users. So they provide ads based on your interests. So this is one amazing like improvement which has been happened. And social commerce is growing rapidly. So the impact of COVID-19 on e-commerce has been like one of the biggest boosts to e-commerce came during the COVID-19 pandemic. So with lockdowns in place and businesses and consumers had no choice but to shift online. So we during that time we couldn't buy goods or products in shops because all the shops were closed, and online shopping was the only option we had to buy any daily necessities and stuff. So this led to the growth of e-commerce as well. So massive growth in online grocery shopping platforms like Big Basket and Amazon Pantry. So exponential growth. So daily essentials, if you need to buy, so then you have Big Basket and Amazon Pantry. So this saw an exponential growth and increase in digital payments like cashless transaction became the norm. So search and small businesses going online. So many small stores and restaurants started selling through WhatsApp and Instagram. So like Zomato, Swiggy, or Uber Eats, started selling foods of their rest of many restaurants like through online. So, but how does this actually work behind the scenes? So let's explore next, and I'll be handing over to Neelambika, so she'll be explaining next. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I will be explaining about how e-commerce works and technology is involved. Thank you. Now let's dive deeper into how e-commerce actually works and technology behind it. E-commerce involves three main elements. One is websites and apps, another one is AI and machine learning, and one more is technology powering e-commerce. So, first one, websites and apps. Platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, where customers browse and buy, payment gateways, secure systems like Razorpay, Stripe, or PayPal for processing payments, logistic and delivery. Companies like FedEx and Blue Dart handle product shipping. Technologies power e-commerce include uh, the main objective of technologies powering e-commerce is to enhance user experience companies use, and AI and machine learning personalized the recommendations like Netflix suggesting movies, chatbots, and virtual assistants, customer support via AI chatbots, augmented reality, virtual try for clothes or furniture. Now let's explore the future of e-commerce and some innovative ideas. So I will be handling over to Dhruti. She will explain about future of e-commerce.
Yeah, thanks, Neelambika. So now that we've seen how e-commerce works today, let's discuss where it's headed in the future. So the trends shaping the future of e-commerce is constantly evolving. So I will just mention some key trends that would define the next decade. The first one would be voice commerce. So virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant allow users to shop using voice commands. Imagine saying that, Alexa, order my favorite shampoo and having it delivered automatically, drone. And so this is one of the major advancements that's happening. And the other one can be drone and autonomous delivery. Companies like Amazon are testing drone deliveries for faster and more efficient shipping. Autonomous vehicles may soon be used for large scale deliveries. Another element which I would like to mention would be the metaverse shopping. The metaverse is a virtual world where users can shop in 3D environments. Brands like Nike and Gucci have already set up digital stores where avatars can try on and buy virtual clothing. So, now coming to new ideas for e commerce innovation. As a technology advances, here are some innovative ideas that could revolutionize e commerce. So, the first one would be AI driven personalized shopping. Assistants can have a way of imagine a virtual assistant that selects outfits based on your preferences, weather, and current fashion trends. Blockchain for secure transactions can also be used for online transactions, which can give a more transparent and secure, reducing fraud. And the another one which I would like to mention would be the sustainable e-commerce platforms. It can be more eco-friendly by providing carbon neutral shipping, minimal packaging, and green logistics. Companies like Patagonia and Tesla are leading the way in sustainable e-commerce. With continuous advancements, e-commerce is set to become even more immersive and efficient. So I would like to conclude by saying that e-commerce has truly revolutionized shopping. From the early days of online transactions to today's AI-driven experiences, we have seen incredible growth. The future holds even more exciting possibilities, from voice control shopping to virtual reality stores. As consumers, we can expect more convenience, better personalization, and a more seamless online shopping experience. So, thank you for your time. We'd love to hear any questions that you have, and please share this video as much as you can. Thank you.
If you have any queries, please post it down in the comments. And thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.